Hey, I'm Christina with Tinagirl Life. Today we're going to be having a look at the Vileda EasyWring Rinse Clean Microfiber Spin Mop System that promises clean water with every rinse. We'll do a quick unboxing and fill it up and give it a try. Honestly, mopping my floors with dirty water never made sense to me. This is so appealing to me and I can't wait to give it a try. I love the Vileda brand. It's a German company and everything I've ever used by Vileda has worked as advertised. And the first Vileda product I ever bought was the Vileda Scrunch for cleaning glass cooktops. It worked so well, so I have high hopes for the EasyWring Rinse Clean. Let's have a look. The handle comes with two extendable sections, so you can adjust the height all the way from 24 inches to 48 inches, depending on how tall you are or how long you need the handle to be for a certain job. The handle is made from metal and plastic, but it doesn't feel junky. It feels really solid, like it's not going to collapse on you when you're using it. Just tighten it up. The mop head is made from microfiber, and you can easily wash it and throw it in the dryer. Okay, next step. To attach the mop head, it says to align the microfiber mop head with the base and push down until it snaps securely into place. Let's give this a try. Okay, that didn't work. What did I do wrong? Hang on. All right, I heard the clicks. It's firmly attached and I'm ready to start mopping. So the bucket is two separate pieces and this is the bottom section. I just want to show you how the bottom section works before I put the top part in. So you just press this with your foot and that swirls that little, looks like a salad spinner, but that's where your mop is going to go. This is the top portion here, and this is the part that we're going to fill with water. You'll want to make sure this little red lever is in the down position when you're filling your bucket. The reservoir holds 6 liters of water and you can fill it with either warm or cold water. Vileda claims that the microfiber mop head removes 99% of bacteria with just water. But if you want to add your own detergent in there, you can. Just add a splash of that. You don't need a lot. Or you can purchase the Vileda packs, which are their hard floor cleaners. These perfectly portioned little packs include enzymes specifically designed for your EasyWring and your Rinse Clean buckets. That's what this is. Fill your bucket with 6 liters of warm water, drop in a pack, and start cleaning. Today, I'm just using cold water on my floors. I have really good quality engineered oak floors. I'm not worried about water on my floor. My floors are 7 years old and I specifically have what I call my runway in my house. It's a high traffic area that gets really dirty. We started out by soaking our mop in the nice clean water in the rinsing chamber, and then we move it over to the wringer side of the bucket. You pump the pedal to make it spin, just like a salad spinner. It spins the water into the reservoir. The mop has gone from being soaking wet to perfectly damp mop for cleaning. Let's give it a try. This is the filthiest spot right in front of our dog door. The microfiber spin mop is designed to be used on any hard floors. It's perfect for linoleum, tile, laminate, and wood. Just be careful not to leave soaking puddles of water on your wood and laminate floors. Just a damp mop should do the trick for cleaning. Let me show you a close-up of how the clean water enters the rinsing chamber. So once the mop has pulled out the clean water, it fills again with just the right amount of more clean water. Here's a close-up of the water release lever. Leave that in the down or locked position for filling and then lift it for cleaning. Here's a close-up of the push pedal so you can see how that works. This allows you to adjust how much moisture you want in your mop. I love it when companies add little details like this to their products. There's a little clip here that will hold the mop handle for storage, or if you just need to set the mop down for a bit, it'll hold it in place so it's not flopping all over the place. Okay, let's go ahead and empty the bucket out. There's no more water at all in the reservoir. We'll just lift that part out and we're going to dump out the dirty water. Wow, look how muddy that looks, and my floors were actually relatively clean. And remember, that was simply using cold fresh water, no detergent. I'm so impressed. So the bottom bucket also has a few more built-in features like the pouring spout, and it also has a measuring gauge on the side. To remove the mop head for cleaning, you simply step on the mop strands and tilt the handle away from your foot to separate the base from the mop. Throw the mop head into your laundry, wash it like you would wash anything else. It came out perfectly clean, just like brand new. It should last about 6 months of regular use, and you can purchase replacement mop heads from anywhere that you would buy your Vileda products. Or if you like to shop online like I do, I'll add links below for everything I talked about in this video for you to check out. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Vileda EasyWring Rinse Clean Microfiber Spin Mop System. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I want to know where you're watching from, and be sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on my upcoming videos. Also, go ahead and check out my other channel, Tinagirl Travels. I have some very interesting videos from travel-related product reviews, global souvenir shopping, and travel advice. Thanks so much for watching Tinagirl Life today. I will see you again soon.